What if I told you the tap water you are drinking every single day might be hiding invisible contaminants that even standard filters can't catch? Today, we are uncovering the truth by testing the top countertop water distillers to see which one actually delivers pure, medical-grade H2O right to your kitchen. 5. VEVOR Water Distiller. The VEVOR Water Distiller immediately caught my attention due to its sheer popularity and accessibility. Pulling it out of the box, the brushed stainless steel body gave off a rather industrial but sturdy vibe that looked decent enough on my kitchen counter. I was eager to see if this affordable entry into the distillation world could hold its own against the heavier hitters I had lined up. Setting it up was straightforward, and I quickly filled the 4-liter boiling chamber to the max line to begin my first test run. The 750-watt heating element fired up almost instantly, and within about an hour, I saw the first drops of purified water making their way into the collection carafe. However, as the cycle progressed, I couldn't help but notice the loud, droning noise of the cooling fan, which sounded incredibly similar to an old desktop computer running at max speed, making it quite distracting while I was trying to work in the adjacent dining room. The distillation speed was relatively average, taking just over 4 hours to complete a full gallon, which is standard but not particularly impressive. During this time, the machine also radiated a significant amount of heat, turning my moderately sized kitchen into a bit of a sauna, which was a frustrating drawback I hadn't fully anticipated. It became clear that this unit would be best run overnight or in a well-ventilated utility room rather than a busy living space. When it came time to taste the water, the purity was certainly there, completely devoid of the chlorine taste my tap water usually harbors. 4. ROVSUN G2700460. The unboxing revealed a machine with a very similar cylindrical footprint, but boasting a slightly larger collection capacity, which I appreciated since I drink a massive amount of water daily. The exterior finish felt a bit smoother, and I liked the simple, minimalist approach to the design, which blended a little better with my stainless steel kitchen appliances. During my initial testing phases, I filled the chamber and flicked the single power switch to get the process started. The 750-watt element performed admirably, and I noticed that the water began to drip into the collection pot slightly faster than my previous tests. However, aligning the spout of the distiller head with the opening of the collection container proved to be a mildly infuriating task. If you don't get it perfectly centered, the water tends to drip down the side of the container, creating small puddles on the countertop that I had to constantly wipe up. The ROVSUN produced a full batch in about 4 hours, which provided me with plenty of water for my daily drinking and cooking needs. Unfortunately, much like the VEVOR, this unit still relies on a somewhat noisy cooling fan that can be a bit grating if you are trying to have a quiet conversation in the same room. I also noticed that the top assembly felt a bit loose when locking it into place, requiring me to double-check the seal every single time to ensure steam wasn't escaping from the sides, which happened during one of my test runs and severely impacted the water yield. 3. COZ-DWD-BRSS00. Right out of the box, the build quality was noticeably superior, featuring a sleek, fully stainless steel exterior, and most importantly, a heavy-duty glass collection carafe. Placing it on my counter instantly elevated the aesthetic of my coffee station, and I was genuinely excited to see if its performance matched its highly polished looks. The inclusion of the glass carafe was an absolute game-changer for my testing process. Unlike the previous models, where I had to endure a break-in period to eliminate a synthetic aftertaste, the COZ provided incredibly crisp, pure water from the very first drop. The glass ensures that no chemicals can leach back into the warm, freshly distilled water. And the ergonomic handle on the carafe made pouring into my daily water bottles a perfectly smooth, spill-free experience. Operating the COZ was practically effortless, driven by a highly efficient 750-watt heating system that consistently delivered a full gallon of pristine water in just under 4 hours. I ran this machine back-to-back for several days to test its endurance, and it handled the workload beautifully without overheating or showing any signs of strain. The cooling fan, while still audible, was noticeably better tuned and produced a lower-pitched hum that easily faded into the background noise of my home, rather than dominating it. One of the standout aspects of my time with this model was the reliability of its automatic shutoff feature. I purposely left the house multiple times while the machine was running, trusting the built-in temperature sensor to cut the power exactly when the boiling chamber ran dry. 2. VIVOHOME VH1480. This is a machine that absolutely blew me away with its thoughtful design and outstanding user experience. Unboxing this unit revealed a modern, beautifully crafted appliance that felt incredibly robust in my hands. It comes equipped with a beautifully designed glass carafe that fits snugly against the main unit, creating a cohesive look that I proudly displayed on my kitchen island throughout my entire testing period. What immediately set the VIVOHOME apart during my initial setup was its remarkably intuitive operation and enhanced safety features. The top condensing unit locks down with a satisfying secure fit that guarantees zero steam leakage, ensuring that every ounce of water vapor is efficiently captured and condensed. The power switch is smartly placed and features a soft indicator light, making it very clear when the machine is actively heating, which is a small but highly appreciated touch for daily usability. In terms of performance, this machine is an absolute powerhouse, quietly churning through tap water and transforming it into liquid perfection. The 750-watt element boils the water rapidly, and the internal aluminum fan operates with a refined smoothness that makes it one of the quietest distillers I have tested so far. I could easily watch television in the next room or take a phone call in the kitchen without feeling like I was competing with an industrial generator, which significantly improved the overall experience of distilling water at home. The taste of the water produced by the VIVOHOME is nothing short of extraordinary, largely thanks to the high-quality activated carbon filters that sit perfectly inside the dispensing nozzle. 1. COZ DWD ESO100. Remember that surprising feature I mentioned at the beginning of this video? Well, this machine comes equipped with a brilliantly integrated dual temperature display and adjustable control panel, a feature I never knew I needed but now simply cannot live without. This intelligent panel allowed me to precisely monitor the internal temperature during my tests, and even adjust it to distill other liquids or optimize the run for different altitudes, giving me a level of control that none of the other machines offered. From the moment I took it out of the box, the build quality screamed premium, featuring a heavy-gauge stainless steel body and a flawlessly crafted, extra-thick glass collection carafe. The entire assembly felt like a piece of professional laboratory equipment cleverly disguised as a luxury kitchen appliance. The power cords were thick and durable, the handle on the carafe was perfectly balanced, and the top condensing unit locked into place with a reassuring snap that promised absolute efficiency. The performance of this upgraded COZ model absolutely crushed the competition during my rigorous testing schedule. The advanced internal cooling system and upgraded fan design not only made it the quietest machine on this list, but it also sped up the condensation process, shaving precious time off the total cycle. I was consistently getting a full gallon of flawlessly distilled water faster than any of the other models, all while the machine maintained a remarkably cool exterior profile that didn't heat up my kitchen. The water quality is where this machine truly cements its #1 status, utilizing superior, easily replaceable carbon filter sachets within the stainless steel nozzle. The water that hits the glass carafe is impossibly crisp, clean, and refreshing.